In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add friends in your FC Mobile 2024. So the first thing you'll want to do is just tap on this icon right here on the top. Let me show you this one with the two people looking like icon. Tap on it. So you will need to add your friends from here. But what you'll need to do first is just tap on your settings. And after you tap on your settings, you will see your user ID right here. You will need to ask your friend for the user ID. So just ask them for it and tap on this icon right here. So here what you'll need to do is just find friend. You'll see the add option right here. Tap on it, and after you do that, tap on search and enter the user ID or even the username. So just search for the username, and after you search for the username, tap on continue and you'll find the person. So just tap on add friend and send request. So now you'll need to ask your friend to accept the request, and now you can check your friends by tapping on this icon again, and here you will see your friends list. So it's that simple, guys. That is how you add friends in your FC Mobile. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.